Welcome back. In this part, we have to look at anchors and buttons. So, what are anchors? You just might be noticed that whenever you type something you want to find, like you search for stronghold game, so you type stronghold game, okay, and as a result, the search engine find the find your result and give some links to you. Uh, what are links? Let me explain, okay. So whenever you click on a specific link, it jumps to a particular path. So these are the works of anchors, okay. Anchor specifies that are specify or helps you to jump to a particular path through URLs. What are URLs? URLs stands for Uniform Resource Locators, okay. It is like uh, for example, if you are looking for a person, okay, in a town, and you say that you saw somebody and say that where is for example, you are searching for Mr. X and you say that where is Mr. X, and somebody say that this house is Mr. X house, okay. So similarly, URL works like that. URL specify this particular path, and these URLs are given by some users, okay. So let me explain what does it mean. In HTML, just say A stands for enter, href stands for reference, and reference to here I want to jump to this particular site, okay, which is in my case is reference.html. I have created here, right here, okay, which is a reference.html, okay. So S stands for anchor, href is attribute of A, which stands for reference, okay, and specify to jump to a particular path. And let's close it and say that click. Just save it, refresh, and here you can see, click it. Now you are in the ref.html, and this is a particular URL for this site. You can see right here, ref.html, and that's the complete path, okay. If you remove one thing or something like that, remove the desktop and just say hit, nothing happened because the complete URL are missing, okay. And just remove this reference or remove the extension and just save it, reload, click, nothing happening because it does not find this thing, okay. It only find HTML. Click, okay. And now I want to give you a project or exercise. Just try this in directories. Just put your documents in a specific directory and then refer to it, just like we did before in image sections, multimedia, you can say, if you didn't watch them. So watch it. Yeah, okay. So now we have to talk about buttons, how you can create buttons, okay, and how you can use them. Let's create a button tag and say button, save it, refresh. Here you can see button. These buttons are used for a lot of purposes, you can say like that, but I will show you a quick method that how you can use it. Href is equal to reference.html. I'm just using this for like a quick exercise. You can use it where you want, but we will cover it in uh, more detail in CSS sections or and attribute sections, okay. So just say button href, okay, everything is fine, just click on it, okay, now you are here. But if you just control X, control V, now you can see this is a default button which does not jump to ref.html because it's not a part of this thing, okay. It's not a part of button, so button does not see that. What does it mean? What should I have to do? This is a simple thing, okay. So I hope that you will understand it and just keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.